Hi, Tyler Daniel, Application Engineer here at EXAIR. Today I'd like to take a moment to highlight the newest addition to our cabinet cooler product line, the ATEX Cabinet Cooler. Offering the same level of protection against overheating panels as our standard cabinet cooler, the ATEX Cabinet Cooler can be safely used on purged and pressurized control panels located in ATEX Zones 2 and 22. The ATEX Cabinet Cooler is installed just like any typical NEMA 4 cabinet cooler through a 1.5-inch NPS or 49mm diameter hole. It's then locked into place with the supplied nut and O-ring. If there isn't room on the top of the panel like we have here, EXAIR does offer side mount kits that allow you to mount to the side or to the front of the panel. All ATEX cabinet coolers must be used in conjunction with an ATEX compliant purge system. Here we have an ATEX compliant purge as well as one of our ATEX cabinet coolers installed on this panel. Once the purge system has turned the air over inside the panel to 150%, it'll turn the power on to the components inside. The solenoid valve located upstream of the cabinet cooler will then open to supply compressed air to the cabinet cooler. When selecting a purge system to be used in conjunction with your ATEX cabinet cooler, it's important to speak with the manufacturer to ensure that the vent that comes along with the purge system can handle the additional flow of air that's going to come from the ATEX cabinet cooler. On our installation sheet, we have a chart that shows the maximum flow of air for each model cabinet cooler. To figure out which model of ATEX cabinet cooler is right for you, complete the EXAIR sizing guide online and an application engineer will be in touch shortly. Thank you for taking the time to watch today and have a great rest of your day.